You're pushing the snow away.
What's on? It's working.
All right. Push your snow away.
Why?
Because you have to.
Beep.
People are not going to be able to drive on the road.
It's too big. It's too big.
Come on, Mr. Macho Man.
I can put that down now.
Yes, you could.
Why?
Show Mommy what you could do. Awesome job. Now plow away.
There's water that. I can cut it down. See, I could. There, Mama. It's all flat.
Good job. Now what are you going to do?
Push it away.
Push it away?
Yeah.
I see. Awesome. Are you going to use your ripper?
Yeah. It's gonna wrap this. Beep. Mama. Wise.
Got sand in his tracks. Or I mean snow.
Nuggets.
Go ahead. Keep playing. Use your ripper.
Rips up in snow. Rips out of snow.
Yes, it is. Look at it.
Ripping out snow.